Good afternoon, Rick here. I have bought me another digital camera. It's a YouTube vlogging style camera. I was having some problems with I tried to use my regular camera a couple of days ago, and I've had it now for quite a while. And as I was filming, it would cycle through all the modes. So I had to stop and start it back up again. I had a ton of editing. I got it done. It was at a little house on the prairie, just outside of Independence, Kansas. So I got me one ordered. I just got it in just like 5 minutes ago. So we're going to do an unboxing event. They just come in a regular uh, prime box. So let's open this up and see what we got. Um, it got a lot of good reviews. It does have the swivel on it, you know, and I am really excited. And I also got me an external microphone. Now I am going to go out, not today. I cannot go out today and do any kind of experimental video with this new camera because we've got like 50-mile-an-hour winds. It's not it's not cold out, it's just very, very windy. So let's take this out of the box and let's see what we got here. Oh, that's just a okay. All right, let's take this out. Now I'm going to set this aside for the moment. Okay, this is a 4K Ultra HD digital camera. And there is what it looks like. So, let's take this out. Let's see what we got. And one thing I liked about this camera, a couple of things. Number one, you actually get a manual. Something that you don't have to look up get a website or something. It's that's cool. I'm old school. So I like that. Another thing I like about this camera is it came with a 32 gigabyte card. That's very, I've never bought a camera where you have the card included. Now you get something to wipe it off with, keep it clean, and there's the 32 gigabyte memory card. That's so cool. I've never bought, it is a larger size, but that's fine because I've got a flash drive and it will take this size. Just plug it into your computer with your flash drive and it'll upload it. It comes with a charger. There's the charger. Now let's see what else it comes with here. Now, it also comes with, if I get out of the package here, it comes with one of these that you can, plug in at home. And then, of course, you can get your batteries charged up. Oh, it comes with two batteries. Not one, but two. Okay, now, this, of course, um, is one that you can do when all you need to have is have a USB port, a portable one that you can take along and you can charge them if you're on the road or something like that. So far, it's got everything it said it's supposed to have. Now, let's see what's in here. All right, now, here is your USB cable, and here is this is the other, this is probably for when you're when you're using the camera. And this is the one to charge with, because it's got a 10-foot cord with it. So it's got everything it says it's going to have. And here's the cap, lens cap. You have to, when you clip it on, then you have to push the ends together to remove it. And I like that. And also, when you take the lens cap off, you stick it in your pocket. And that way, it's okay when it's on a cord, but it flaps around and while you're trying to record. I've had that happen. So let's see. So far, we got that. Here are the two batteries. Okay. And finally, it does have a strap. I like these because if you're doing anything, especially outdoors, if you're near something that you don't want, like a lot of wind or water, you want to make sure that you don't lose your camera. Okay, so far so good. Um, I was doing an experiment to see what cameras work the best. I've got two action cameras, and then I've got a digital camera, and then like a camcorder, I've got one of those. And now I've got, it's like a regular camera, but it's a vlogging camera. Okay, so here we go. Here's a case. It comes with its own case. It's pretty cool. I'm going to put all my boxes over here for the time being. So here's a moment of truth. Let's take this out. I don't know whether these batteries will work or not right off the bat. Oh, wow. Okay, and there it is. Now the base, not the base, there's your screen that you can, and you can also flip it around. You're supposed to be able to flip it around here. I don't want to break it right off the bat, but it is supposed to flip. So let's see if we can, we'll have to figure that out in a little bit. Okay, so there it is. Let's see what got here. Let me see if we can put some batteries in it. Read the instructions. You always want to read your instructions. You don't never want to do anything that could damage your camera. Now we've got to put the memory card in, and then we have to format it. Okay, so trying to get the battery out. I was hoping it would come in today. Now tomorrow is supposed to be a totally different day tomorrow. About the same temp, but no wind tomorrow. So I was going to try to go out and do a test video with this. So let me get this all put together and we'll see what we got. Okay. Okay, so far so good. Okay, I got the battery put in, I got the memory card formatted, and I was reading some instructions and just kind of looking at it for a little bit. And what it is, when you're filming like this, but if you want to do a selfie, or if you want to do just for some reason get yourself in a video, then you turn around and then you do it like that. You have to turn around like this. Oh, excuse me. But anyway, I think it's going to turn out to be real nice. And then now the lens cap is on, and then just unsnap it and it's off. I'm going to charge up. These batteries are just about out, but it did give me a chance to kind of look at it a little bit. I think it's going to turn out all right. I've got to take this protective cover off if I can. Take this cover off here. Okay, now I've got that cover off. Yeah, I think it's going to turn out okay. I'm going to have to get out and play with it, and just experiment with it and see what it'll do. But, okay, I think that's all. I think that's it for right now. I'm going to try to get out sometime tomorrow, late morning, early afternoon, and I want to take this down somewhere just to our local park or something and do some videos. But anyway, thanks for joining me with this unboxing event of my new 4K camera, vlogging camera. So, go out and explore your world. Go out and have fun. You never know what you might live somewhere your whole life and not know. You might run across something you've never seen before. Go out and explore your world, but just be safe. Be aware of your surroundings. And like I always say, we will see you on the next video. So, goodbye for now.